Jungle Bay.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Family.
Right.
Sorry, who are you? Who are you?
My name is Claude Weeks.
Claude Wicks, and you are Jungle Bay's.
Yes.
Former.
I'm a consultant at Jungle Bay.
Brilliant. Okay.
You're a teacher.
It's your guest?
Yeah.
Oh, welcome. Nice to see you. Welcome. Yes. Welcome, sir. Pleasure to have you.
Thank you.
Let's all decide. Let's go.
It's a lovely day here at Jungle Bay.
Yeah, that's why I did. That's why I said, let me just sit here. Yeah, it's nice breeze.
Dave, talk to me.
Oh, so yeah, so we want to do a day park next. Oh, next? Yeah, sometime next week, a day park. Get lunch. Access to the
Infinity pool. Wooden carved pillars. Look at that. Looks. There's also a range of products you can purchase as a souvenir. Take to your family and friends.